Okay, now we have added the onions. We'll add the red pepper. Thank you. The fresh onion. And we will cook it for a while until it's soft.
Until it's soft?
Soft, yeah, and they get a nice color.
Okay. How long does it take for it to get to that color?
More or less 7 minutes, maybe.
7 minutes?
Yeah.
And how long did it take to prepare the fish broth?
The fish broth, first of all, you have to get the rockfish, clean it, and then you have to put it in a pot with cold water and the veggies. It's normally carrot, onion, garlic, and some leek also. Okay? You put with the fish and you turn the fire on. Normally you start with the cold water or the water from the temperature. Okay? And then you have to boil it more or less half an hour for get the good fish broth. Now we will add the beans also. Important in the paella is always have to keep moving everything, because it's a big pan and you can get burned from some parts, so always you have to move all the time the ingredients you have in the paella.
That's good to know. Did Manu teach you how to make paella when you were a little kid?
Yeah, our father teach us.
Your father taught you guys?
Yeah. Yeah, probably he teach first Manu and then me. So, and now we will add the calamaris.
Did you just adjust the heat just now? Adjust the flame?
Yeah, we put some more flame because it was too low. Now we add a little bit more. Because some people think it's paella, it's a very long process, but when you have, once you have everything prepared, it's like half an hour. For 15 minutes for prepare the base, as Manu said, and then you need 5 minutes more for cook the tomato, and then the 10 minutes you need more or less for the rice.
Oh, okay. To prepare the rice, do you have to soak it in water overnight or anything like that?
No. This one you don't need it. Normally the integral rice you need to put it in water the day after, the day before. But this one you just can use it like this.
Okay.